smoke, vape.
Ayoko nun. Invalidate yung feelings ng ibang tao. Doon kayo sa far away.
Below the belt na yung jokes nila.
Nadidistract po kasi ako is organized. Kaingay kumain. Huwag kayong maingay. Doon kayo sa far away. Take two.
Can you read my name?
Hi everyone, I'm Kira. I was born on December 29th. I'm from Manila, and my talents are singing, dancing, and rapping.
My name is Tin. My birthday is on July 19. I'm from Pasig City, and my talents are singing, dancing, and a little bit of rapping po.
My name is Shay. Birthday is September 27 and I'm from Malabon City. My talent is singing and dancing.
Ang pangalan ko po ay si Grace. Nakatira po ako sa Pasig City. Birthday ko po is April 1, Fool's Day. Dancing po.
Hello everyone, I'm Ria and my birthday is on November 27 and my talent is a little bit of sing, dance, rap, and a little bit of modeling. I live in Novaliches, Quezon City.
Hi everyone, I'm Abby. I'm from Caloocan City. My talent is singing, dancing, and rapping. Birthday is April 21.
My name is Chen. My birthday is March 27 and I'm from Taguig City and my talent is singing and dancing.
Hello po, my name is Luna. Ang birthday ko po is October 22. Ang talent ko po is singing and dancing and I'm from Quezon City.
My favorite color would be green or purple. I think it's pleasing to the eye.
I'm really into light colors po, usually pastels. And ever since I was young, my favorite color po talaga is purple. It reflects my personality kasi I'm a little bit girly and I have a side of a boyish. That's why I like purple po. And I also like black and brown po. Mga neutral colors.
My favorite color is pink, neutral and pastel colors.
Color blue po.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue. Sky blue po kasi nagbibigay po siya sa akin ng peace pag nakikita ko po yung sky blue na color.
Black and white. I usually wear black and white outfit.
Favorite color, sky blue.
My favorite animal has to be butterfly. Butterfly seems to symbolize freedom as it spreads its wings free. So I want to be able to have freedom in my creativity and my experiences.
I like dogs kasi they're charming. Pero din silang human kasi. They can be warm and at the same time they can be playful po. So parang ganun din po ako as a person.
Dog,
Cat.
Aso at pusa. Kasi cute po sila.
Cat po, may cat po ako. Ang pangalan niyo po is Cat. And when I feel lonely po, pag nasa side lang po yung cat ko, kinakausap ko lang po siya, then I feel better na po.
Cat and dog.
Cats and dogs.
Sinigang. It's very comforting and masarap luto ng tita ko eh.
Favorite foods, I am usually into sweets. Sa mga meals naman po, I like sisig, adobo, especially pag luto ni mama.
my favorite food is rice kasi comfort food.
Pritong talong po.
My favorite food is fried chicken.
My favorite food is anything na maanghang.
I like sweets. I really love sweets. Comfort food ko din siya.
Ang favorite kong food is sinigang. SB19 po talaga.
G22 and Presit Place.
Vision and G22.
SB19, Alamat, and Bini po. And nilook up ko po, actually sila pong lahat. And every P-pop artists po na napapanood po ngayon. Sila po yung reason why I entered the P-pop world. And parang they became an inspiration for me po to chase my dreams.
Halos lahat naman sinusuportahan. Pero yung main ko talaga is Bini.
SB19 po and Bini and Alamat and G22 po. Yung pinaka nilook up ko po is, actually lahat po sila, pero yung pinaka major po is yung SB19 kasi po ever since nung nag-start yung P-pop, sila po talaga yung naging isa sa mga naging inspiration ko po when it comes to hard work.
My favorite P-pop group is G22.
SB19. Kaya. Bini.
Carrera.
Whiplash. Espa.
My Heart by Paramore. Yun lang talaga yung pinaka lagi kong naaalala na favorite song ko nung bata ako. And that's when I started singing. And favorite ko rin po yung Paramore.
Ego by BTS po. Mahilig po kasi ako sa mga happy song eh. And napapa-feel niya sa akin yung happy vibe.
Ilaw po ng SB19. Pag nalulungkot po ako, ayun po yung pinapakinggan ko.
Defy. You and I, we defy.
Sa G22, gusto ko talaga yung Defy. Empowerment siya and super ganda ng meaning niya. Sa Press It Play, I like You Know kasi ito yung first song na na-discover ka sa kanila.
Mapa. Dalawa and cherry on top. Yung pagiging makalat and like canceling plans last minute. Ayoko nun.
Something na bumubuga, siya smoke, vape in front of me po. Kasi parang disrespectful niya po for me. And as a person po na medyo lapitin po sa sakit, ganyan, viruses like ubo.
Ini-invalidate yung feelings ng ibang tao and unhygienic.
Someone na below the belt na yung jokes nila.
Ayoko po sa maingay kumain. Na didistract po kasi ako.
Really don't like a person na disorganized kasi medyo makalat talaga pa tignan.
Maingay kumain. Phone? I guess I find entertainment on social media. So, I find music to be relaxing, entertaining, and it's also part of my hobby, which is dancing.
Phone ko po tsaka earphones. Pag may music, parang hindi ko po kaya mabuhay sa isang araw na walang music.
My family po.
Family.
Cellphone.
Simple lang po, my family.
I can live without, of course, my family. Ngayon, I can live without my wallet and, of course, cellphone.
Lip balm. Kasi I have chapped lips. My hobbies would be dancing. I feel like I'm able to express freely when I'm dancing and I love performing on stage.
Natutulog lang ako. I bed rot a lot. Play volleyball, nanonood lang akong movies. For my favorite artist, nanonood po akong concerts. Since first time ko pong maka-attend sa Stadium in Hypen po, Fate Tour po. Favorite movie international is Divergent, the series. Divergent, Insurgent, and Allegiant po. And sa local, Four Sisters and The Wedding.
Scrolling through phone and reading sometimes on Wattpad. I Love You Since 1892.
Mag-drawing po. More on anime, ganun po. I Want to Eat Your Pancreas.
Cooking, studying, and watching movies. Hello, Love Again. I recommend 21st Century.
Pumunta sa mga coffee shops and gumala kasama yung ate ko and playing Mobile Legends.
Siyempre, singing, dancing pa din, tapos rapping. I'll do digital arts, tapos medyo nag-into craft din.
Watching movies and reading books. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga Wattpad books. Mutya ng Section E. Seoul, South Korea. I'm a huge fan of K-pop, so I would love to see how their culture is, and also I want to experience winter.
I'm really into beautiful sceneries po. So I really wanna go to Canada or Iceland for the Aurora Borealis po. And also, I'm into tulips po. I like tulip flowers, so I want to go to Netherlands.
Canada. Siguro kasi pagdating ko doon, matalino na ako agad. Charis. New York din kasi gusto ko makita yung city lights.
Japan po. Kasi po, very advanced po kasi yung Japan when it comes to technology. Gusto ko lang po ma-experience yung mga very advanced technology.
My dream destinations are South Korea, Switzerland, and Thailand. I enjoy a lot of Korean movies and Thailand movies as well.
New Zealand. Super nagagandahan ako pag nakikita siya sa internet. Kaya gusto ko siyang puntahan.
Switzerland, tapos Japan.
Paris. Gusto ko kasing makita ng personal yung Eiffel Tower. Go fail forward. Go get your voice heard. Don't fold. Something like that. And it's very inspiring for me as an artist to keep chasing my dreams. And you guys should too.
Trust the process. Baga hindi lahat na susunod. May mga bagay na hindi mo i-expect na mangyayari. So, it might be a part of that journey. So, you just have to trust yourself and trust the process.
Slow progress is still a progress.
You can't please everybody. Hindi lahat ng ginagawa mo ay magugustuhan ng ibang tao. So, keep going na lang sa kung anong ginagawa. Kasi yung mga tao, hindi lahat yan ma-appreciate kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Kung anong pinapakita mo sa kanila.
I'll do things anyway despite the storms that comes to my way.
Let God be the center of your everything.
Improvement starts with I.
Be the first-rate version of yourself than to be the second-rate version of somebody else. I don't know, are we still doing the same thing? Are we still performing? Are you performing? You better be.
Just believe in yourself. chase your dreams, and trust the process.
Sana maging confident and always be humble.
Be better.
I hope that you achieve the dreams. I hope that you will not give up despite the challenges you might face, and I'm so proud of you.
Be humble always. Always be thankful and look back kung saan ka nagsimula. Always be down to earth.
Thank you for being strong and sana magstay kang strong.
Not believing you'll make it.